The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Doug in New Jersey. Hey, Doug, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how are you, sir?
I'm doing great. You having a good day out there?
Absolutely. That's my job.
There you go, man.
Tom, I just got your new book, and got to say, anybody who does technical analysis has got to buy your book. And further, it's the biggest bargain on the face of the earth, and, people will just throw money at anything. But I would only suggest that people have got to read it. It's a must-read.
I appreciate it.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Well, welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Your best is changing all the time. Your best will depend on whether you're refreshed in the morning or tired at night. Your best will be different when you're happy as opposed to being upset, or healthy as opposed to being sick. Under any circumstances, simply do your best and you will avoid self-judgment, self-abuse, and regret. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 19, NASDAQ off 1, S&P's off $1.50. Gold contract down $3, trading at $1,544 an ounce. Platinum up $21 at $1,832 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents at $37 an ounce. Copper flat at $4.14 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at $99 a barrel. Bonds up 4 ticks, trading out at 125.05. Dollar index down 40 ticks, trading out at 73.59. The euro is up 1 at 146.81. Yen is down 3 at 80.07. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? You get a flat day. You're at the cash S&P is at the 1284.94. You get the top of the March 16th level at the 1280.91. I suspect it's going to try to jam its way into that. We did volume out here today of 914 million. That bar that we're talking about, folks, on the 16th has 1.4 billion. So it's going to need some good juice in order to basically rock that baby. I suspect we're going to hit that baby. You're going to do some kind of a bounce out of here, and that is the B to C of a much larger ABC down. That's on your S&P. Dow Industrials, it's the same setup in the Dow Industrials. What you have, Dow is down 19 bucks today. You're under the April 18th level. That level, by the way, was 12,093. We're at 12,070. That puts 11,856 on the table. The composite, we go over to the NASDAQ composite. We look at the composite. This is what you have. Composite right now is down a buck. Composite, we did 1.6 billion shares today. Now, what you're doing with the composite is that you came into the 2706 area, which was the 18th. Now, the 18th, let me just get this in front of us. Okay, so April 18th, what we had out here in the composite is this, folks. You had 1.8 billion on the 18th. So you come into that with more volume. You come into that with 1.844. And what that puts game on the table is that 2669, which is the highs of the lows. I mean, the lows are on the table, too, but the bottom line is they're going to need a lot more juice. Why? It's the 1.8 billion right now into the 2.6 billion. But that's the way this little baby is set up at this particular point. Talbot's out here today. If you want to see good old Talbot's, another one that has gone back to the good old May of 2009 level. This is it, baby. Yeah, Talbot's, this guy actually got cut in half almost today. It was down to $1.79. It's trading out at $2.63. And if you take a look at this, we bring this back a bit. It's pretty amazing, actually. We'll bring it back. We bring it back to January of 2008. And what you're going to see out here is this, is that the first get-go leg on the way down went from $17.97, folks, down at $1.19. That was the lows of the market 2008. We come off those lows. And in the May time frame out there, you were at 503 to 335. Bottom line, it blew that away today. Now, that's after already going up to $17. Pretty wild. Bottom line, this baby is on its way to $1.19, and this is that is toasted in a big way. No two ways about it. Some of the high volume stocks we had out here today. Let's take a look at it. You had Bank of America down 18. Cisco is down 48. We'll go take a look at that in a second. Citigroup is getting hit again. That was down 49. Wells Fargo down 49. We had Comcast up 10. We had MGM Resorts down 25. Apple. Let's go hit Apple. Apple was down $6 out here. What Apple's doing is that Apple is into the 18th, and Apple had 18 million shares today, coming into that 21 million share day. The highs of that was the 332.23. Now, that's where we are right now. The low of that day is the 320.16. So we'll see how it handles the bottom of that. And you can, if you take Apple and you put a couple channel lines at the bottom and the top, you'll see how it has been building cause, and that cause is causing the way down, folks. I suspect as we get down there, we'll see whether they can handle this and stay there and then do some kind of a counter trend bounce off it. Apple's been in this consolidation going all the way back to January, so it's been in a 6-month consolidation right now. Listen, folks, if you come to the front page of our website at TFNN, what you're going to see, this is pretty neat. Now, what we're doing is this, and I'd like you to tell all your friends, and this is what it is. This is how easy it is, too. We are going to be, if you pull up the front page of TFNN, what you're going to see right in the carousel is win free silver all summer long. This is what this is, folks. Great Panther Silver. It's the Great Panther Silver giveaway, the summer giveaway. Starting summer solstice, the 21st of June, Monday through Friday until Labor Day, we are going to give 1 ounce of silver away a day. It's a beautiful coin. It's Great Panther Silver. They're one of our sponsors. Bottom line is that we bought a bunch of these quite a while ago, actually. And bottom line, we're going to give 1 away every day. And all you have to do is come to the front page of TFNN. You will register, first name, last name, phone, and email. You submit it, bottom line. And there's no limit on the amount of coins that you can actually win. We're doing this on TFNN. We're also doing it on Facebook. Send it to all your friends. Bottom line is that we're going to have some fun with this and, get this Great Panther Silver summer getaway out there in a big way. Now, let's go take a look at the gold market out here. GCQ, we had with gold out here today. You had small price spread. We went from 1537 to 1551. You closed out at the 1544 level. Bonds, what we did with the bond market out here, she is trading between the 125.21 to 126.17. She basically closed flat, but that bond market wants to go higher. It looks like it wants to go higher in a big way. Bernanke spoke today at 3:45. Pretty wild time for him to speak. Bottom line is that he decided that he wanted to move the market around, and he moved it around all right. He moved it from positive to negative. Bottom line is that this is a couple of his quotes. The economy is still producing at levels well below its potential. Oh, really? Consequently, accommodative monetary policies are still needed, Bernanke said in a text speech at a conference in Atlanta. Until we have a sustained period of stronger job creation, we cannot consider the recovery to be truly established. Bottom line, if you can picture that one right there. Until we can see a sustained period of stronger job creation, we cannot consider the recovery to be truly established. Now, established is a wild word because when you establish something, you get it going, right? Well, bottom line is that when you look at that context, it's like, people are talking about a double dip. Well, you know what? We didn't get out of the first dip. That's what I think he's actually basically saying in there. 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at the GLD. There she is. Okay, so you get the GLD Street Tracks Trust. This traded out here from 149.68 today to 150.85. What you have, sideways move. She's rejecting lower price. Yesterday she rejected higher price. this consolidation continues. So there's a battle on here in the physical market. There's no two ways about it. Let's go to Howard in Canada. Hey, Howard, what's going on?
Hey, good afternoon.
How you doing today?
I'm not too bad. How are you?
Good, man. Thanks for calling. Thanks for holding. What are we going to look at?
No problem. I just wanted to hear you sort of wax a little bit on selling covered call options in this market currently. How do you feel about those? My brokers just kind of got me into them, and so far it's going pretty good.
Did you listen to the option show today?
No, I didn't catch that today, no.
Okay, this is what you want to do. Folks, on Tuesdays, we have the best option show on the planet. Don Kaufman, who's the chief market strategist for TD Ameritrade and Thinkorswim, does a full hour from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. on Tuesdays. That program is live at TFNN. It's on Tiger TV. It's on every device that you have. It is an incredible program. The amount of strategies he goes through is absolutely incredible. What you want to do, Howard, go listen to that program. How long have you been selling covered calls?
Actually, about a year now.
Okay. So when you sell a covered call, do you want to own the stock?
Well, it's not necessarily. I'm willing to have it, go away or be taken away.
That's a beautiful thing. Beautiful.
I just
that's good.
Yeah, I'm not married to the stock. I just like the company and looking for good premiums and.
That's right. Well, that's a beautiful thing. I love hearing that because that's what when you're selling a covered call, you're supposed to basically want to get it taken away. And I understand what happens in this, folks, is this. If you get real close, when you sell the covered call, if you get the premium and it just gets really near the strike price and it doesn't get called away, people like that too. But the reality is that if you sell them, you should want it getting taken away because you get the premium plus you get the price. So yeah, I mean, it's a good business, man. There's no two ways about it. But go listen to that program. In fact, if you go to Tiger TV right now and it's on Channel 10. At Tiger TV, folks, it's on Channel 10, so anytime you want, it's on demand. Listen to it. It's an amazing program, man. He was so busy today. He went through so many different strategies, Howard. It was incredible.
Fantastic.
Cool,
One more
man.
thing, Tom, if you have a moment. I'm up here in Ontario, Canada. I actually live where they make the BlackBerry,
Yes.
What's your comment on RIM right now?
RIM's toasted.
Yeah, you think they're done?
Yeah.
Okay.
RIM's toasted. It's wicked. Picture this for a second. The thing that's so bizarre about this, folks, okay, is that RIM had the market beyond belief. And let me tell you, as a company, okay, we had 6 of them, right? Forever, okay? The bottom line is that we swapped them all out to Androids. It's 10 times better, 10 times faster, but what it gives you is what you need. I have a computer in front of me right now, and they blew it. And it's like they had so many clients. I mean, I'm a raindrop compared to the big companies that are swapping out, man. RIM's done.
All right.
Okay, man, have a great one. Have a safe one. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Don't forget, folks, right in the front page of TFNN, it's a great Panther Summer Silver giveaway. Check it out. We'll be right back.